ke contractual post.
Mawkyrwat MLA Renington Lingdok Tongkar inspected the construction works for the Mawkyrwat Greater Water Supply Scheme and the Mausau Combined Water Supply Scheme, which was funded at Rs 59 crores and Rs 18 crores respectively under the Jal Jeevan Mission. Speaking to media persons, Tongkar expressed happiness that the overall progress of the construction works for the Mawkyrwat Greater Water Supply Scheme has reached about 70%, while the Mausau Combined Water Supply Scheme has reached about 60%. He also said that according to the observation of the officers, both the projects might be completed between December 2024 to March 2025.
Kila bon kila tamme ka 50%. Kata ka masuk man hado kata ka progress kala tamme ka 50% haman laki item ka bangio I bangi pek bar ki don ro ki bala jan poi satang bandep no ki bala poi hado 70% hado 80% ro ki bala poi ka completion stage. Tenga da sok man hado kata ku no mekmat banyo iba kan de kejing persang jungi kalong successful wala kala don kejing rit musim kejing ting mensuala kila na bantrei ki lokal kontraktor jungi te hendre habangi la persang yo I ya kejing la jugi di bru jungi